Okie dokies. I just received my package in the mail. In this package is... I opened it already, so... anyway, in this package is ammo I bought online. We got... What do we got? We got Winchester Rifled Slugs Hollow Points. It's a 15 round pack. Open those up there. You see them? Come on now. Okay, that's pretty awesome. Put those back. Out of the way. I got these. Also, Winchester Rifle Slugs. These are PowerPoint, or I don't know what the hell that means, but it's a 10 round pack. It's basically, excuse me, basically, yeah, whoop, there's one right there. That was pretty cool. It's basically the same thing as the other one, but this one has a little bit more pronounced rifling on the slug. So, yeah, I like that. Get in there. Okay, what else? I got 3 packs of buckshot. And let me show you one of the packs. Not really much to show you. They're closed in at the end. That'll do some damage for sure. As a fat guy with a shotgun could tell you, it'll blow a hole right through your ceiling. Okay, let's see what else I got. I got some Wolf ammunition for my 303 rifle. Show you what they look like. It's a pretty big round. These are 180 grain. It's a big bullet. Big bullet right here. Big round itself. Alright. Put these to the side. And I got 3 packs of 303 ammunition, just a different brand. I'll just put these back in the box. Let me show you what these look like. Pretty much the same thing as the Wolf ammunition, pretty much. I'll show you. These, how many grain? Oh, these are 180 grains too. Wait, hold on, maybe I messed up, hold on. These are actually, the Wolf is actually 174 grain, my bad. And these are 180 grain. I got three packs of these and 1 pack of the Wolf. Now, all of these cost me about $115, give or take $1 or $2. But yeah, all that ammunition cost me about $115 on cheaperthandirt.com. And I know you're probably sick and tired of me promoting their site, but you know, the prices you get down there are really cheaper than dirt. They have a lot of great things down there, like ammo. If you want ammo, you can't find it anywhere else, and the prices down the street are just re-fucking-ridiculous. Go to Cheaper Than Dirt. They might be out of stock on some things, but like the 303s, last time I checked, down the street they cost like $30 a box. But online, a box of 303s cost me about $13 to $16. The Wolf cost me about $13 a box, and these cost me about $16, $17 a box. So, yeah. It's a pretty good deal. I think I'm going to cut film and take my camera down to Ace Hardware and compare the prices. So, yeah. Okay. 303 ammo, $35. That's insane. $35. For 4570, you're talking $41.99. 444, talking 38. 22s aren't too bad.